The National Weather Service has issued a weather bulletin. Currently, the temperature is 82 degrees with heavy rain and windy conditions. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 82. South-southwest winds over 100 miles per hour. For tonight, windy with rain showers likely, low 79. Chance of rain 60%. On Tuesday, cloudy with gusty winds, high 82. Winds south-southeast at 25 to 40 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, windy with showers late, low 78. Chance of rain 50%. Our 7-day outlook.